Wadham Road is a new project we're delivering for London Borough of Waltham Forest, carrying out full structural repairs to a live environment. Waltham Forest identified structural issues across a number of assets and needed a partner who can move quickly and bring certainty. Our involvement came through early contractor involvement, working side by side with the local authority from the outset to develop a solution that meets their requirements and stays within budget. As the UK's leading structure specialist, we've brought our experience from both the highways and the rail sector. This project shows how we can support local authorities with a reliable, end-to-end service, delivered safely, efficiently and with minimal disruption. What sets Kilnbridge apart is our full service approach. Everything is delivered in-house, from design to hydro demolition, concrete cutting, structural repairs and waterproofing. That's the Kilnbridge difference: fewer interfaces, faster delivery, and a deeper understanding of what our clients need right from the start.